Across borders and through the ages, xenophobia has woven itself into the fabric of societies worldwide. Rooted in fear and misunderstanding, it divides us with attitudes and behaviors against those deemed different. As we embark on a journey to unravel xenophobia, derived from the Greek for stranger and fear, we delve into its complexities. This term, while simply defined, houses a multitude of prejudices. From historic exiles to contemporary exclusions, it influences our histories, policies, and interactions. A global perspective reveals xenophobia's ubiquity, unaffected by geography, culture, or language. We explore its historical context to unveil not just isolated incidents, but a recurring pattern fueled by economic, political, and social anxieties. This understanding allows us to navigate real-life scenarios, acknowledging xenophobia's widespread effects and fostering informed solutions for a world where diversity is embraced. The personal stories woven into the human experience reveal the profound impact of xenophobia on both individuals and societies. These narratives expose the faces behind the statistics, showcasing resilience, yet highlighting societal consequences. Consider the ostracized student or the fragmented family. Their experience is chapters in our collective story. As we probe the societal repercussions, we see the wear on our community fabric from economic and cultural strains. Yet the narrative shifts toward hope and unity, showing that understanding and compassion are the keys to crafting solutions. We are now poised to examine how, globally, communities and individuals are rewriting the xenophobia narrative. Delving deeper, we explore xenophobia's landscape, guided by experts who frame its causes and effects. This phenomenon stems from a complex interplay of fear, misinformation, and societal tensions, often rooted in the unknown. Its psychological toll includes isolation, anxiety, and identity conflict, contributing mental health challenges and fracturing communities. Understanding these dynamics is pivotal for addressing core issues. This segment paves the way for the next, focusing on global awareness and actionable solutions against xenophobia through education, community initiatives, and policy reforms, spotlighting paths toward understanding and, ultimately, healing. In our journey's next phase, global awareness and solutions, we transition from understanding to action. Education lights the way, fostering empathy and celebrating diversity. Community initiatives highlight the power of collective action, creating change that resonates globally. Policy reforms ensure this progress is enduring, signifying a societal commitment to inclusivity. These solutions reflect actions by real people worldwide, carving pathways to unity. We are reminded that the fight against xenophobia requires continuous effort and cooperation, promising a horizon filled with possibilities for healing and understanding. As we progress, the journey through the shadows of xenophobia brightens with the light of understanding and appreciation for humanity's rich tapestry. Recognizing our personal responsibility and acting with empathy contribute to a culture of acceptance. Our combined efforts in community engagement and global advocacy dismantle barriers, transforming fear into friendship. Global solidarity is essential as we confront xenophobia, inspiring a future where diversity is a celebrated reality. Remember, in unity there is strength, and every heart has the power to make a difference. Together, we forge a world where diversity thrives and xenophobia finds no foothold.